Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I'll share different types of jewelry that I make either for my shop, something I have been requested, or something I just found interesting on the internet. Today's video is a request and it's this cute bracelet with like dangling, well, you would have seen it on thumbnail actually, but how cute. I think it looks better like in a video than in a picture, but how cute is this? And you can make so many different color flowers and just like hang them on. And here we have like a little extension chain as well, so pretty. Okay, let's get started. The things that I'm gonna use are a few different types of pliers, scissors, a mat. Then I have some jump rings and a lobster claw. These ones are just from Amazon, really basic. No, they're not sterling silver or stainless steel. I will link sterling silver ones in the description box. Then I have two colors Miyuki beads. I would suggest you to use any colors you want. Honestly, there's no rule how many you can use. I'm just working with two just to make it simpler and not get confusing and everything. And I have these like white ones, white pearl ones, and then like pinkish color. And then I have fishing line and I'm using 0.33 millimeter. But if you do use smaller beads, you're gonna need smaller fishing line. There's no rule which size beads you can use. You can use any size beads you want. I'm just telling you that if you have smaller beads, you need smaller fishing line and probably smaller jump rings as well, just to make sure that they go through the bead. Everything that I use I will link in the description box. Also, there will be a link in there for all my supply favorites. So I ordered quite a few supplies from Etsy, so there's going to be link Etsy favorites, and if you click on it you're going to see all the stuff that I ordered from Etsy and that I love and that I have been using for almost 2 years now. Let's get started. First thing, I am going to take some fishing line, and I already cut a bit and I took about 40 centimeters. And what we need to do is make these flowers. I have pre-made quite a few of them already just to save me some time. And now what you need to do is just fold over the fishing line and take 5 beads of the color that you want the flower to be. I'm gonna make these pinkish one and put them on the fishing line just on one end like so. And then we take the one that we're gonna have in the middle. I'm gonna use the white one and put both ends of the fishing line through. This is how it looks. And then if you take these two ends and just like fold them over like so, you take one side and put the fishing line through one side 2 beads, and take the other one and we skip 1 bead here and put the fishing line through the other 2 beads on the other side. And then if you pull it, this is how it's gonna look. And now if you take another bead for the flower, put each end of the fishing line to the opposite side of the bead and drag it down, it makes you a flower. And if you move the beads a bit, this is how it looks. And now we just take one end of the fishing line and put it through the beads, 1 bead here, and just keep going until we get to one side of the flower. And then we take the other end and we put it through 1 bead, and we kind of like get the fishing lines both ends to meet on one side. And now what we need to do is just tie like 3 times, make a knot. like so. And now I'm gonna take both of the ends and just put through like a couple of beads. And once you are done, you can just cut off the loose ends. And this is your flower done. And now you just need to make loads of them. Well, I don't know how many you need to make because it depends on your bracelet size and how many you want them to like hang off the bracelet. But I do have, I think I made about 20, no, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I have over 20, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna need all of them. We will see. So once you have made all the flowers, but you don't need to make that many, like you can make them as you go, to be honest. You're gonna need to like put them on the bracelet, like in a chain like this. So as you can see, all I did is put like jump rings through the beads. But the one thing is, here you can see there's 1 jump ring connecting to, and then there's 3 connecting 2 flowers. Then there's 1 connecting 2 flowers, 3 connecting. And this is how you put them together. And the way you do it, you just take 1 jump ring, open it up, take 1 flower, and you just put it through the bead. Like so. And then you close it, and you can turn that, you know, where you close that part to go into the bead like this. And then you take another jump ring, take a different color flower if you want to, or take the same, it doesn't matter. Do the same, close it, again turn that part where you closed it into the bead like so. And then you take another jump ring, open it, and then you put both of the flowers on. And you kind of like creating the chain for your bracelet yourself. Like so. And now I would take just 1 jump ring and pull through 1 flower and take and pull through another. And then you close it. And again, you can turn that bit where you closed it into the bead. Like so. And then once you have made that chain, this is how it's gonna look. And the reason we put 1 here like separate, that's where we're gonna hang the flowers. And I wouldn't hang on every single, like in every single jump ring, because it's too, I think it's too much. So I'm gonna do every other. Now what we can do is on one end we can just open up the jump ring, and we can put the lobster claw on for the closure. Like so. And now I can measure it and see if it's Yeah, it should fit because I make my bracelets about 16 centimeters. And now what we need to do is on everywhere with the jump ring in between, I'm just gonna hang some flowers on. And the way I do it is exactly how I did, is I should take one jump ring, take one flower, put it through the bead, and hang it on the middle jump ring. And I close it. And now I do the same thing. And as I said, you can put as many as you want. You can put 1, you can put 3, you can put 10, as many as you like, and as many as fits on there, to be honest. And also different colors. And yeah, just put it on the flower and then take the middle jump ring and hang it on. And also you can like take just the bead or different color, like different like crystal or something like that, and hang it on there as well, just to make it a lot like a bit more fun. But this is how it looks. I will take one more and hang it on there. Super easy. This is probably the easiest one I have ever made on my channel. Like so. It would be a lot more fun if it was like different colors, but I really didn't want to, you know, make it too confusing. So I hung 3, and now I'm just gonna move on to the next one and hang some there. So here I hang them, then I skip one, and then I just move on to the next. Just put it on, close it, turn away the closure so it's in like the bead. Take another one. And you just do that until you do the whole bracelet or necklace or anklet, whatever you make. I don't know what you're gonna choose to make, but again, there's no rules of what you can or can't make. Yeah, you can even make earrings, to be honest. That would be cute, you know, multiple flowers on one sort of like dangling off. But this is how it looks so far. I'm just gonna go through the whole thing and then show you what the finished look is. So this is how it looks so far. And now what I'm gonna do is just put like a little extension chain on the end. So I have the jump ring, just put the chain on, and then take one of the flowers again and just put it on the end of the extension chain. I think that would look quite cute. Like so. And now if I put it on my wrist, I will show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks on the wrist. This is so much fun. Look how cute, all the little flowers just like dangling like that. And this one here as well. So cute. I really like it. And imagine having like different colors and stuff. Super cute. Really, really easy. Super easy to make. The hardest part is literally making all the flowers, but that's easy as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.